I'll show you how it finishes off, and it does finish off absolutely superbly. And the taste is great because you've got that liquid smoke that I put on first of all, and it's going to be great. So I'm just going to vac pack that, and then we'll come back to it in a short while. There you go, make it dinner in the fridge, marinade in the fridge, leave it overnight. We'll come back tomorrow and we'll cook these, and you'll